This is 411 TV.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. I see me running through that open door. I believe I can fly.
So, we've heard you have a fear of birds. You told us earlier.
Really? I don't remember that.
So, to help you with your fear, we've brought a bird into the studio.
You what? You did what? Get it out! Oh.
I think we need a doctor.
If there's any spirits in this room present, please use my energy to move this car. It's moving. John, it's moving. John! 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 God, I'm hungry. What have we got to eat in this morning house? Nothing there. Like in that. Don't hurt me. Please. I think we've been getting on really well, and I think I'm really in love with you, and I've been enjoying our moment together, and I love it. Yeah, I feel exactly the same. I do. I'm really in love with you. Bubsor, I've got a very important question to ask you. Will you marry me? You will? Wicked, you made me so happy.
One night to be confused, one night to speed up truth. We had a promise made, 4 hands and then away. Both under influence, we had divine sense to know what to say. Mind is a razor blade to call for hands of above to lean on. Would it be good enough for me now? One night of magic rush, the start a simple touch. One night to push and scream, and then relief. 10 days of perfect